done like number 2. Then I'm going to watch video of one of your video. I'm looking not so long. And ay, Kaylee Castro, thank you for coming. Sandali lang po ha, ipipin natin yan mamaya. Tambay lang ho. Salamat sis Camino. Where's your mix vlog? Thank you. Navy crap. I give you moderator. You have moderator now? Thank you guys. Give me money. Wow. I don't have money. That's why I'm working. You need to work so you can earn money. Big good to sis. Salamat sis Dim. I-50 ko din sa iyo mamaya. Unahin ko lang yung mga iba dyan. Thank you boss for your support. You're welcome. Yipma Baroya. It's nice here. I like Lucio Mix Vlog. Sandali lang idol ha. Ipi-play din kita. May naka-play pa sa dalawang phone ko. Salamat guys. Pa-thumbs up dikit po, Ma'am Lods. Oo. Sige, didikitan ko yan at saka tamsakan ko yan. Lunch lang ako sis. Sige sis, buhay. Sige, kain ka muna sis. Nice. Morski, idol. Thank you, idol Morski. Salamat. Tambay po. Salamat kaayo, idol Morski. Salamat. Thank you guys. Ni ako kantahan. Wow. enjoy idol, enjoy. Enjoy lang idol. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. Thank you. Mute ra ko dire idol. Okay idol. Okay idol Morski. Mute lang. Ay gagantahan man di mo. Thank you guys sa 10 million in the house. Pa-share ng live natin guys. Kay ni akan ta akong hanis sa kabila ilis amo ba? Wow. Kalami oy kinama na imong hani. Sige lang kanta mo diha idol oy. Kanta-kanta lang. Dan share. Wow, thank you idol Morski. Thank you. Lynn Gamino, thank you sis.